Somalia, located in the Horn of Africa, was a colony of various European powers before it gained independence in 1960. In the late 19th century, the British established protectorates in the northern regions of Somalia, while the Italians claimed control over the southern regions. During the early 20th century, the Italians established a colonial administration in southern Somalia, which they called Italian Somaliland. The British also established a protectorate in northern Somalia, which they called British Somaliland. In 1941, during World War II, British and Commonwealth forces occupied Italian Somaliland and later established a military administration. After the war, Italy renounced its claim to Italian Somaliland and it became a United Nations Trust territory under Italian administration. In 1950, the UN General Assembly approved a resolution that called for the preparation of Somalia for self-government.